cooking oil. Fry fish seasoned with salt pepper. Set aside. Fry prawns. Set aside. Add cooking oil. Sauté onion. Garlic. Ginger. Add the second squeezed coconut milk. Bring to boil. Add ground black pepper. Fish sauce. Brown sugar. Add the fried fish. Add the first squeezed coconut milk. Vinegar. Then add the fried prawns. Pechay. Green chili. Cover and simmer for 5 minutes. Cooked and ready to serve. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye bye.